Hey guys, let's solve this guy quickly. The question says if x raised to the power 2 over 3 minus 5x raised to the power 1/3 plus 6 equals to 0, what are the values of x? Let's figure them out quickly. So let's express this one in a different way, okay, slightly different from this form. So we can have x, and this can also be written as 1 over 3 multiplied by 2, okay? Now, minus 5x all raised to the power 1 over 3 plus 6 equals to 0. Now, see, we are going to take a letter to B to represent this one, this guy, okay? So that means we say let A equals to x raised to the power 1 over 3. So meaning wherever we see x raised to the power 3, x raised to the power 1 over 3 rather, we put A. So the whole of this becomes A raised to the power 1. Okay, this is 1. So that's 1 multiplied by 2. Which means this is multiplication minus 5A. 5, the whole of this is A. Okay, plus 6 equals to 0. Now this one becomes A square, because 1 times 2, minus 5A plus 6 equals to 0. Now we've got this one. All we have to do is to look for two numbers that when we multiply them will give us a product of this and this. Then when we add or subtract those two numbers, we should have this middle term here. Okay, so it's simple. By just looking at this, you will know that the two numbers will be 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. That means minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. When you multiply this, you have positive 6, this and this. Then if we add them, say minus 2 minus 3 will give you minus 5. Okay, so that's simple. Now once you have that, you know minus 2 minus 3 are the two numbers. So let me take this one. So this becomes a square minus 3a minus 2a. So these are the two numbers, plus 6 equals to 0. Now we have 4 terms. We group them into 2. Okay, so this one, this is going to be a. If you factor, you take a out, what remains here is a minus. If you cancel this, becomes 3 minus. Now if what is common here is 2, if you take 2, what remains here is a. Now you're not going to write this one, you have to multiply. Minus times plus becomes minus. Okay, 2 into this becomes 3 equals to 0. Whatever you have on this bracket has to be the same. So now what you see here, this is common. So you take one of these. So if you take a minus 3, open bracket, what remains here is a minus. Now if you take a minus 3 outside, what remains here is 2. Everything equals to 0. So now we can solve for a. So we can say this one we can either have a minus 3 equals to 0. So this becomes a equals to, transpose this one, is 3. And the next one again can either be or a minus 2 equals to 0. So a equals to what? You transpose again, this becomes 2. But we don't need a. Okay? Remember, we let a to be something. According to the question, we have to find x. So you say for a equals to 3. Wherever you see a here, you put 3. So instead of a, we put 3 equals to x raised to the power 1 over 3. Okay? Now, how do we calculate this one? All you have to do is to get rid of this 3 here, multiply here by 3. Okay? And this again, the power of this is already 1, multiply here by 3. So this and this cancel. X raised to the power 1 is the same as x equals to 1 times 3 is 3. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. Or if you say for the next one, for a equals to 2, substitute again wherever you see a here. So this becomes 2, sorry, 2 equals to 2 equals to x again raised to the power. The same procedure, you multiply by 3, and this is power of this is already 1, multiply again by 3. Okay, meaning this and this cancel still, but we just want to express so we can cancel this one. Okay, so your x becomes 2 raised to the power 3, which is 8. So therefore, your x values will be 27 or 8. So if you take this numbers of 27, substitute it here, you should have 0 on the left hand side. Okay, easy.